Well, hi everybody. Today, the million-dollar question. Why should I shift my personal habits at all? I mean, what I, as one person, either does or doesn't do isn't going to make a bit of difference in the grand scheme of things, is it? I just can't see how changing my own habits will save the planet. So why should I bother? Now, I've read a lot of comments on social media recently that the impact of changing your personal habits only brings our greenhouse gas levels down by like 4%. And many are then coming to a conclusion that because of that, shifting our personal habits won't or doesn't make a difference. And honestly, I can totally see that logic and will freely admit to feeling the downside of that logic at times. But then I think, let's take a step back. And as it rains outside today, I think every drop in the bucket makes movement, has a ripple effect. So every drop of chemical, piece of plastic, or action we do or don't do has to matter and count. Then I think about our beautiful, fascinating ocean. Everything it does for us that we count on to survive, like fresh air, water, and food every day, and all the ocean citizens that live there and depend on the ocean for their survival too. Sylvia Earle says, no ocean, no life. No blue, no green, no ocean, no us. And I think, how could we even think that we have a choice? We have to shift our habits, not only for ourselves and our future generations, but for every ocean citizen and their future generations as well. I mean, guys, we simply can't live without them. Then, I also remember that when groups and communities, made up of individuals, mind you, get together and stand up for what they want and believe in, they have way more power than they think. And this kind of coming together for a common cause is what forces industry and government to get on board and make the changes that we all want and need to have happen. Because if businesses don't get on board, we can make them go broke. No sale means no survival. And if government officials don't get on board, we can vote for a candidate who will do the right thing for our environmental future. And this ability to influence change from the ground up is priceless and so much more powerful than we all realize. But the most important reason that our personal habits matter is to teach our next generation how to live in the world that they will inherit and how to make better decisions than we all did. It may be the only advantage that we can give them in this ultimate game of survival. I mean, guys, everything counts. Every choice, every action, every decision, and every one matters. From the top, which is government leaders, etc., down, and from the bottom, you and I, up. And everyone can make a difference, big or small. And small changes, collectively, make a meaningful difference. So don't let the seemingly small impact of one choice or decision, like a straw, discourage you from making it. Instead, see how many random acts of ocean kindness you can do every day. I mean, literally, be the pollution solution. And every one of us has the power. All right, everyone, that's it for now. Thanks for diving in. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Share what you've learned here forward, and I'll see you next time.